Hi everyone, it's me, Ivy again. Today we are start with lesson 3. So what we did learn in lesson 2? Yes, that is a sport. We learned several sport names. You still remember? You know how to say it? You still remember? Yeah. If you don't remember, you can watch lesson 2 again to review. If you say, okay, perhaps now I don't have time, don't worry, learn with me, I will help you to review again. Last lesson, we learned how to speak. What do you like to play? You still remember how to say in Chinese? Yes, you are right. 你喜欢做什么运动? Yes, sport is 运动. So, 你 is you, 喜欢 is like. So, 你喜欢做什么运动 is what do you like to play? Yeah, but if we say, what do you like to watch? What kind of sport do you like to watch? How to say it? Yes, I think you'll see it already here, right? Yes, so 你喜欢看什么运动? Yes, 看 is watch. Open your eyes, that means 看 is watch. Yes, perfect. So, but what vocabularies we did learn last lesson? It is 我 means I, 我 yeah, and so 喜欢 is like 喜欢 can you speak it? 喜欢 yes, good. 打 is hit. Do you still remember the sport that we did learn? Is basketball, right? So, play basketball. Do you remember how to say it? Yes. 打篮球, right? Basketball is 篮球. So, 打篮球. How to say play football? Yeah, that is foot, right? So, is that still used? 打? No, right? Yes, it's 踢 kick. 踢足球, right? Yes, 打篮球, 踢足球, right? Perfect. So how about volleyball? Yeah, 打排球, right? So sorry. Badminton. Yes, 打羽毛球. And ping pong. That is easiest, right? Still remember ping pong. How to say ping pong in Chinese? Yeah, do you remember now? Yes, you are right. That's ping pong 球, right? Easier, right? Yes. So, what we did learn last lesson? Yes, still tennis. Remember tennis? Yes, 网球. How to say play tennis? 打网球, right? Yes, you are right. So, but we did talk many times, many sentences is always use 我. But someone will ask me, but if I introduce my friend, like she, he, or you, how can I say it? I don't know. I only know me. Yes, you are right. So I will help you. I will teach you, not help. I will teach you to speak how to say you or she, he, it, right? So how to say you in Chinese? 你 Yes, it's you. But how to say she, he, or it? How to say it? That is 他 他. In Chinese, the pronunciation of she, he, it, the same. It is same pronunciation. It's a ta. But when you write it, will be different. If that is a male, you will be like a human. But if it's female, there will be a female's word, letter. But this one is the Chinese characters for writing. I think now is not the time for you to understand yet. But for pronunciation, you just remember that it means ta, or ta is right. So in this case, I will say 你喜欢看什么运动? If I ask, what does he like to watch? Can you help me? How to say it in Chinese? Can you do it alone? Yes, I will say to you, okay? So, will be 他喜欢做什么运动? 他喜欢做什么运动? 他喜欢看什么运动? Easy, right? So, 你, you, 我, I, 他 is she, he, it, right? 你, 我, 他. Remember? Yes. Easy, right? Yes. So, what we are going to learn today? Today we still learn some sport. What is that sport? It's also very common for us, right? What is that? Do you know what it is? Yes. Look at the pictures. You already know, right? That is swim. Swim. I think many people like swim, right? Yes. So how to say it in Chinese? You just look at the letters. Can you pronounce it after 2 lessons? Yeah, I think it's a little bit difficult, right? So no problem. I teach you one more time. 游泳 游泳 游 means the action. 游泳 right? 游泳 is swim. What this? Look at the word. Look at the pictures. Image. You will already know, right? That's red. So how to say in Chinese? 跑步 跑步 right? So hard. 跑步 right? 跑步 Okay. So now I ask you one question. In Chinese, try to understand it, okay? 你喜欢游泳还是跑步? 你喜欢游泳还是跑步? Can you answer me without my English translation? Yeah, no problem. What my question is in English? What do you like to do, swimming or run? Yeah, so my answer, I help you to answer, okay? 你喜欢游泳，他喜欢跑步，我喜欢什么呀？喜欢什么？我也喜欢游泳 right? Now, can you speak in Chinese again? 游泳 Yes. This one? 跑步 Very good. So, this one, do you know where it is? What are they doing? What are they doing? The people, what are they doing over here? Right? They are doing exercise. But where it is? Doing exercise in China, in Chinese, we call 健身. 健身 身 means our body. 健 is mean that keep our body. So 健身 right? So this kind of room or this kind of center, how to call it? So-called fitness center, how to call it in Chinese? Can you spell it by yourself? Yeah, 健身房，健身房。Now, do you know that? Do you like go to fitness center? 你喜欢去健身房吗？你喜欢去健身房吗？我喜欢健身，所以我喜欢去健身房。你呢？ Yes. Easy, right? So, come to what I say. Now you can say 我喜欢健身。我喜欢健身。But someone say, okay, I don't like it. Now you always teach me I like. But most of the things that you tell me I don't like, how can I answer? Now I tell you, 我不喜欢。我不喜欢。不 is mean no. 我不喜欢健身。我不喜欢健身。Look at your mouth. One more time. 我不喜欢健身。Right? 不 I think it's easy for you to pronounce, right? 不 means no. Everything that you say 不. If I ask you, do you like swimming? 你喜欢游泳吗？ How to answer? You say, no, I don't like. How to say in Chinese? 我不喜欢。我不喜欢。我不喜欢游泳。我喜欢打篮球。Right? Good. If you can make this sentence, you means your Chinese is improved. Right? Okay. So, 我喜欢。你喜欢。你喜欢做什么呀？你喜欢踢足球？你喜欢打网球？你不喜欢跑步？你不喜欢游泳？或者你不喜欢健身？Yes. So you can practice at home by yourself, and by watching my lesson 2 and or today the lesson 3, you can practice the word that we did learn. But this one is 他 is she, he, right? 他喜欢打羽毛球。She likes play badminton. So, 她喜欢打羽毛球。她不喜欢打网球。What is 网球? Do you still remember? 网球? Yes, tennis. She doesn't like play tennis. 她不喜欢打网球。她喜欢打羽毛球。Easy. It's easy, right? And now today, I think the lesson for you is not as difficult as lesson 2, right? So you just practice the sentence that I mentioned here, and you can make the sentence by yourself. Easy, right? Good. So, and the relevant word that is related with the sport. If you see someone, they play basketball very well, how to say it? I look at him, wow, he played basketball very good. How can I say it? 他打篮球打得很好，打得好，打得好。It means he played very well. 打得好。Or he played football very well. How to say? Kick, right? Kick. How to say? 他踢得好 right? So if you say swim, how to say if he swim very well? 他游泳游得好，游得好。You remember what I say? 游 is the action of 游泳 right? So 他游得好。I say, he ran very well. 他跑得好 right? Okay? 好 means good. Very, very good. How to say? Very good. 很好，很好。It means very good. So, but if someone that they swim or they run very fast, their speed very fast. How to say in Chinese? You say 快，快。It means fast. 快。So, 游得快 it means he swim very fast. How to say? 游得快，快 it means fast. 他游得很快。Yes, 我游得不快。Do you remember? Can you guess what I say? 我游得不快。Do you know what I say? Yes, you're right. I swim not fast. Easy, right? So just add one more word before, so the word will be completely different, right? So 游得快 it means fast. So what is 速度？速度。This one we usually to say speed in English. Speed. Swim, speed. Running, speed. Right? He swim. His speed very fast. 他游泳速度很快。Do you see the difference? 他游泳速度很快。他游得很快。Do you see the two sentences? Which word are missing? Yes, 速度 is 游泳速度。速度 is speed. So 游泳速度很快。速度 is a speed. So this one, 比分。What is 比分? Score. When you see the football match or NBA, you have two teams, they fight with each other, so-called fight with each other. And so finally, who win, who lost, right? What is the evidence? Score. How to say in Chinese? 比分，比分，比分。Can you read it again? 比分。Yes. Say 比分是 the score is number 110 and 210. Oh, 100 missing, right? No, never. But this is a 比分. You say, I know this word, but I don't know how to say the numbers in Chinese. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? See my next lesson 4. I will teach you the numbers in Chinese. So you will know after lesson 4, you will know what is 比分 after. Okay? So, thanks for watching my video. Please hit the subscribe button under and see you in next lesson. Bye!